I'm so delusional. I love it though.
It is 6 a.m. I am up before the world because my future matters. My main focus is me, my health, my discipline, my growth. I take care of my body because it carries me through every goal I have. I train my mind because knowledge is my power. Every rep I do builds strength. Every page I study builds my future. I am becoming the person I am meant to be, a doctor who is sharp, focused, and resilient. I take advantage of every opportunity in front of me. I do not waste my time, my energy, or my potential. Today, I get better, stronger body, sharper mind, clear purpose. This is the life I'm building one morning at a time. Good morning. So I'm about to take some fiber and then make breakfast. But this all is pretty good too. I really don't feel like doing anything, so I just made some. It's gonna make some protein pancakes. Breakfast is done. So good and healthy. Stay in bed a little bit longer, and I feel like getting up. Sorry for being nosy. But I have been creating a lot of content like usual, but I have so many videos scheduled to post. So while I'm on my vacation, I'm gonna have a lot of content already post for that week. You know what I mean? So I don't want to be pressured to like, oh, I need to post something. No, I'm gonna have everything already scheduled to post. Even on my social media, I've been scheduling posts as well. So I am really getting ready. I'm so delusional. I've done all this and I don't even have like on YouTube, I don't have a following yet. People don't know me, but I'm still creating content and scheduling posts. So I'll have content while I'm on vacation. I'm so delusional. I love it though. So that being said, like I said, I have some good content. I feel like it's good to me, of course. So yeah, I have a lot of content, very interesting content. We have more. So I always say I don't niche down on my channel, and I don't. I literally just post everything that I do. And we're just gonna see what sticks. So the content that I have prepared, it's 2 videos I need to upload to YouTube. I'm just gonna upload them on campus because their Wi-Fi is amazing. It's so fast. It takes probably about like 15 minutes to upload an hour video. Versus if I did that hour video here on my Wi-Fi, it would take about 2 to 3 hours to upload. So yeah, I'm like, on campus, yes, upload my videos while I wait for class. It works for me. Everything works out. Multitasking. So the videos that are the ones I'm going to upload today, it's going to be scheduled for the following week. It's going to be the UCLA USC basketball game. It's going to be that vlog, the hiking vlog. Those are going together. That's going to be a day off. So a day off as a future doctor. I think that's why I named the video. I think that's cute. And then of course we have days in the life. And then morning routines, my workout routines as well. So it's a variety, you know what I mean? Like, you will never know what you're going to get. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing to do, because like I said, I'm still new. Well, I still consider myself new because I don't have a large following on YouTube, and I'm really trying to build it. I just want to see, you know what I mean? I just want to see how good it can get if I be consistent. You know what I mean? How good can it get? Can I make my goal? Can I make a livable wage? And I know it's not all about money. It's not. It's not all about money. And I know a lot of people say you don't make that much money anyway on YouTube. But I'm like, I want to see. I've been working consistently. I want to see. Let's see how good this can get. Let's see if people really do like my content, if they find it interesting, because like right now I feel like it's interesting because it's my content, right? But when you see if other people like it, it's like, oh, I'm onto something, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'm like, I can't stop, you know what I mean? I cannot stop posting. I said this in my last video, like it's just something in me saying no, don't stop, you know what I mean? Like I'm so close. I feel like I'm close. Even though I only get probably what, like 20 views on my YouTube videos. I feel like I'm close though, you know what I mean? I don't know, it's just probably just me. I'm a very determined person. I don't give up usually anyway. But anyway, creating content is very entertaining for me. You know, like I said, this is my hobby. If I didn't like it as much as I did, I wouldn't. The much as I do, I probably, of course, I wouldn't be doing this still. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm getting tattoo removal, so you cannot be in the sun. You need sunscreen. So I'm just making sure. And I have another session, I believe, in a couple of days. Of course, I'm going to vlog the whole thing. Alright, that being said, I need to go. I have 2 meetings today. I'm on a board of one organization, and I am in a few different ones, but the one I'm on a board with, I have a one-on-one conversation with the president, and we talk about it later. All right, let's go. I'm running late like usual. Oh. Okay. I made it to campus. I'm just waiting on my phone call, so I decided to read a few pages of this book. I have been trying to finish this for the longest, but in grad school, it's so much required reading that I have to do, so much homework. So any downtime that I have, I do take advantage of that, and I'm going to chip away on this book. It's very interesting, and it's something that I really love. The topic is amazing. Also, I do have to acknowledge this whole vibe. This is so calming, so peaceful, just what I need when my life is so chaotic. You already know what's going on with the lawsuits a lot, but this is very calming. Just listening to nothing, you know what I mean? Just reading, escaping reality for a few minutes, enjoying the grass, the sun, everything. This is the perfect moment for me. It's so simple, you know what I mean? Like, I love the simple things in life. Now it's time to get back to reality. It's time for my meeting. Hey, how are you? So the meeting is over. I can go study. And I had to remind her that, like, I'm an introvert. And a lot of people don't believe me when I say that. I am an introvert, and sometimes I'm antisocial. I'm working on it, especially being in this program. Being in grad school, period, you have to get out your comfort zone. And I am literally trying. I don't think people know how hard it is for me. And especially if I have, like, one little sense that someone might not like me, it messes up everything for me, you know what I mean? So it's even harder. So I explained that to her in our meeting just now, like, because she was like, I know a lot, she was listening to some stuff. I'm like, I am an introvert, and I'm really trying to I'm working on that, but I do need to get out of my comfort zone. And since I am on the board, I agreed to be on the board because I agreed to be on the board because of course I want to network. I wanted to meet people, but yeah, it's a lot. I don't know what yeah, I just feel like I'm gonna work on it. I need to prioritize my time better. Yeah. Let's go. Now that the meeting is over, I read a few pages. Now it's time to get to studying. Grad school is all about studying. I know I always say how much homework we have to do, but it's a lot of studying, reading, writing. Remember that if you're ever trying to go to grad school or you in grad school. Okay. I am done for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Today was, I believe I'm doing a morning routine. I don't know, okay, maybe a morning routine, I don't know. I'm just doing all of it. Today's been a day. I am starving. I have one more meeting. It's about to start. I have one more meeting about to start in about 10 minutes. Making good time in. But I am starving. I'm going to go home. Class is done. I've been studying. I've been working on a homework assignment. It's 10 pages. Usually all our homework assignments are about 10 pages. Yeah. So I followed the rubric. And she just now went over it, right, for this next assignment. And basically everything I've done, I'm gonna have to redo it because it's not following her rubric. And that's another thing. Changing majors. So my master's degree is in history, right? So my master's degree in history, and for my doctorate, I switched majors, right? And they have totally different research methods. So, and also, so that leads to why my homework assignment is the way it is. So I was doing a bibliography. I am used to the source, use space, and a paragraph. So that's what I was used to. So that's what I did for this assignment. So she went over how it's supposed to be, and apparently the bibliography is the source, and then everything's in bullet form. I'm like, wait, what? So, and I was like, well, I asked, I'm like, can we just do paragraph form? We already started in paragraph form. People saying that me. And apparently, no, I cannot. So I have to redo it. It's okay. I have about 3 weeks. So of course the rest of this week, yeah, so of course this week I'm gonna be working on homework. My vacation is next week. I have to prep as in I get my nails done. Oh my God. I'm sorry, let me rephrase. So my next video will be the maintenance to this vacation. I need to get braids because in a Caribbean island, their weather is a little bit different. It's a little bit different. It's gonna be hot. So the packing, all that fun stuff, I've been shopping. I have 2 packages that has not been delivered yet. I'm a little worried, and I have to make a return. I have so much to do. So that will be my next vlog. That was a lot. Let's go. I am starving. So I hope you enjoyed today. More so just running. Well, it was a lot today, huh? You did a lot. School, of course, comes first. I had meetings. I'm still not done with the day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you are subscribed. If you made this far, subscribe. You will always be entertained. I don't niche down here. I really show you everything about being a future doctor, trying to have a social life. You know, just I show everything. All right, that's it.